Bonjour, bonjour. How are you? Comment ça va? Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 10 in French. To simplify it, I am going to divide this video into two parts. First, we will learn numbers from 1 to 5 and then we'll go ahead to learn them from 6 to 10. Does that work for you? Do let me know in the comment section. Before we move forward, take time to subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Okay? Thank you. So let's first practice the numbers from 1 to 5. All you have to do is repeat after me. Okay? Okay, so here we go. Un, deux, speak up, I can't hear you. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Okay? I'll go slow. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Voilà. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Very good. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. One more time. Un, repeat. Deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Voilà. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Congratulations! You have done your numbers in French from 1 to 5. Now we'll start from 6 and learn the numbers up to 10. C'est bon? Okay, here we go. 6. Repeat. 6. 7. Louder. 7. 8. 8. 9. 10. Now let's do once again from 6 to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you read out the numbers from 6 to 10 without my help? I'm waiting. Come on, speak. Bravo! Very well done. Wow, you're so strong with French. Now let's revise all the numbers together, okay? So don't forget to repeat after me. Répétez après moi, okay? Allez. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10. Encore une fois, one more time. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10. Excellent. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you next time with a different topic. Au revoir.